Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. Here's a little video of a Skoda Yeti. This one had a screen failure on the factory unit. We've now fitted a new KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this, all using ACV fascias and wiring loom adapters. This allows us to use the steering wheel controls to operate the volume and the forward and back track and the answer and end, etc. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also utilising the factory USB socket there, so it all looks genuine. If you'd like to have this done in your Skoda Yeti, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.